Good evening. We present the news summary. The Public Health Commissioner, Dr. Jude Gédéon, says that an emergency action plan is being rolled out based on several pillars of intervention to ensure the country's readiness for Mpox response. The measures are being taken now that the World Health Organization has declared a public health emergency of international concern due to the increase in the number of cases of Mpox in several countries, especially on the African continent. The new strain of Mpox, known as Clade 1b, is more aggressive than previous ones, and Sweden and Pakistan have also recorded cases.
Mpox, formerly known as monkeypox, is an infectious viral disease that can occur in humans and animals. Symptoms include rash that forms blisters and then crust, fever, and swollen lymph nodes. The illness is usually mild, and most infected individuals recover within a few weeks without treatment, but death is possible. The potential of Mpox to spread further across countries in Africa and possibly outside the continent is significant, given the ease of travel and interconnectivity of countries. Following the Public Health Global Alert launched by the World Health Organization, a coordinated international response is underway to stop the outbreaks and save lives. In the Seychelles, the Public Health Commissioner, Dr. Jude Gédéon, says preparedness, surveillance, and response are being intensified, involving all sectors. Intensifying surveillance for Mpox at both public and private health centers, ensuring availability and readiness of diagnostic capacity for Mpox, promoting awareness, and including preventive measures among communities. Mpox virus is transmitted from one person to another by close contact with lesions, body fluids, respiratory droplets, and contaminated materials such as bedding. The incubation period is usually from 6 to 13 days, but can range from 5 to 21 days. Dr. Gédéon is advising any person with signs and symptoms of Mpox to report to the nearest health facility. He is also advising people to avoid non-essential travel to regions where there is extensive spread of the Mpox virus.
Mr. Mike Thiron has been appointed as the second deputy governor of the Central Bank of Seychelles. He received his documents from President Ramkalawan today. His appointment is for a term of 6 years. Mr. Thiron holds a Bachelor of Arts with honors in Economics and Social Studies and a Master of Science in Accounting and Finance. The Anti-Corruption Commission is amending existing charges and present additional ones in the investigation and prosecution of Mukesh Valabji and Sararine for alleged theft of state assets, corruption, and money laundering. The additional charges are in relation to Mr. Valabji's alleged corruption in the management of two state-owned agencies, COSPRO and SMB. The Anti-Corruption Commissioner, Medi Silva, says the amended and additional charges follow the receipt of new documents and further evidence. Preliminary results of an oral health study show that children have too much decay in their teeth. To address the issue, the Ministry of Health launched a Susie Changhim oral health preventive campaign early this week at the Belo Primary School. During the campaign, the Ministry of Health introduced the silver diamine fluoride, which helps to stop cavities to reduce tooth decay. The campaign is in memory of Suzanne Changhim, who many people called her Susie. She was the first chief dental therapist in Seychelles.
The program will be rolled out in phases over the next year. We have already made good progress with the initial screenings and risk assessments. Next, our SMILE squad working in the schools will complete all the preventive and treatments for these children during the school holidays. Our new school program aims to provide preventive-based dental care to students, including regular checkups, preventive treatments, decay management, and education within the school campus. We also are reintroducing a simple and painless technique to stop cavities once they start. This is a liquid formula of silver and fluoride. And kids, no more drills, no more needles. This is our approach to the new program.
The Seychelles Seroptimist donated 200 books worth 30,000 rupees to the National Library this morning. The committee chairman for the program of the Seroptimist Club of Seychelles presented the books to the representative of the National Library. The new books, as well as existing ones, will help to cater for the many children who use the library. And this was the news summary. Thank you for your attention.